we'll continue discussing teaching and curriculum design, and now we will begin with needs analysis. We'll see needs analysis in terms of its implications for individual language teaching, and you might be having some useful information with regard to conducting needs analysis for your own teaching context, or how do you understand these needs analysis. Before I start, I would just like you to take a little pause and think some of the questions here. What you understand by the term needs analysis? Take a little pause and think, how would you conduct needs analysis in your own teaching context? What information you need, you want to collect through needs analysis, right? So think about these questions and see what you understand by the term and why you want to use this needs analysis, right? Okay, needs analysis, as so far we have taken a good look at in this aspect in one of the beginning modules, that needs analysis helps us collect information which is suitable to our learners, diverse learners, their needs, their wants, strengths, and weaknesses. For example, if students are there for English for specific purposes course, we will need to conduct needs analysis to understand their level of language learning, their level of proficiency, their gender, their age, right? So this question is related to what students already know, what they want to know, and what they want to enhance in their future, right? So doing needs analysis, as Nishan and McAllister argue, is like doing a research. We've got internet resources which we can utilize for doing needs analysis, and then we can do analysis of the results obtained and present the results, right? Well, the main emphasis throughout this course has been that the teachers are the main sources of needs analysis. Well, there could be some other stakeholders, for example, some ministry officials or some curriculum planners. They might be given the task, but it's the teacher who knows well her students than anybody else. So the intuitions of the teachers is much more reliable, valid, and practical, because it's we who come across, who experience the problems faced by our students, their strengths, their wants, their weaknesses. So we could better understand their, mental tendencies or aptitudes than anybody else. So that's the argument. So is this material too difficult for my learners? These are the questions we could address through needs analysis. I mean, even during the course, you could do the needs analysis, and you could ask, is this material, is this activity too difficult for my learners? And you could ask, is there something new to be learned or something new to be introduced? You could also ask, will everyone be able to cope with this activity? This is how needs analysis is, if applied to an individual language teaching experience. If you want to apply this needs analysis to your own teaching context, you will come to know various aspects of language learning through needs analysis. So needs analysis is all the more important to help us gather information about the strengths, wants, weaknesses, and or future needs of the students.